Hi, this is my self-introduction for engineering management. My name is Geyser M. Aquino, and this is course code EMG 22-2 E02. So, what name do I prefer to be called in my current location? I prefer to be called Suz, but my close friends call me Kai. My current location is here at Calamba City, Laguna, and every week is I go back and forth from Manila to Laguna. And what's my expectation about the course? What do you want to know? I expect this course to bridge the gap between technical engineering and professional leadership, focusing on how to manage budgets, schedules, and personnel within a corporate or industrial framework. I anticipate learning the strategic side of this profession, especially how to balance engineering constraints with financial viability and project deadlines. So what's my expectations about my classmate or group mates? I expect my group mates to represent a cross-section of professional personalities, serving as a practical simulation of a real-world engineering firm. We will likely encounter a mix of diverse technical perspectives and varying work ethics, which will challenge you to move beyond individual calculations and into a realm of delegation, accountability, and conflict resolution. And this is based from my little research. So, what's my expectation about my professor? I expect my professor to be jolly and a happy person. Also a joker and a funny professor can help students be more interested. Last, to make the most of our course, what are you willing to do? To make the most of the engineering management course, I am committed to bridging the gap between theory and practice by applying management tools. Furthermore, I am prepared to contribute consistently to our group dynamics, ensuring that I not only fulfill any individual responsibilities, but also assist my teammates in aligning our diverse technical perspective toward a single cohesive project goal. That's all. Thank you.